I just turned a 2-hour podcast into 47 viral shorts in under 3 minutes. And before you think I'm lying, click the link in the description below to get your special discount and see this magic for yourself. Because what I'm about to show you is going to change how you think about content creation forever. So here's what happened. I uploaded my 2-hour podcast to Submagic AI, and this browser-based platform just went to work. No downloads, no complicated software, just pure AI magic happening in my browser. First, it automatically found the 47 most engaging moments from my podcast. Not random clips, but the actual viral-worthy segments that would make people stop scrolling. Then it added dynamic captions in any of 48 languages, because apparently this thing speaks more languages than a UN translator. But here's where it gets crazy. It enhanced my audio, removing all those awkward pauses and background noise I didn't even know was there. Added premium B-roll footage that actually matched my content and generated social media descriptions and hooks that sound like I hired a copywriting genius. The result? 47 perfectly edited shorts, each optimized for maximum engagement, ready to post across all my platforms. And this isn't some startup experiment. Submagic hit 8 million in revenue because creators everywhere are using this to scale their content like never before. So if you're tired of spending hours editing one video while your competitors are pumping out dozens, click that link in the description below. Your future viral self will thank you.